Okay, this is the final mix, the final look of my fruity pancake. Highly nutritious. It has eggs, it has milk, it has blueberry, strawberry, raspberry, it has nutmeg, it has, what again? Onion, some spicy pepper. We like it spicy over here. Look, check out all the ingredients. Did I mention eggs? Yeah. Milk? Yeah. Everything you would love to taste in your pancake and much more. Honestly, I wish you're here to have a bite. This is highly, highly, highly nutritious and delicious. You see the color like lavender? Alright, watch me as I fry and we eat. Okay.